Hello students, myself Amrita Srivastava and I am faculty of US Academy and Institute, Gorakhpur. Welcome back to your moral science classes. This is class 6, moral science chapter 4 and the title is Seed to Success. And the value corner of the chapter is honesty and courage. This chapter is about honesty. Honesty is the foundation stone of a character. If one is found lacking in honesty, he will be found lacking in character as well. So, main theme is try and try again and you will succeed at last. If you want to get successful, you have to just keep trying. Students, honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. If you want to gain wisdom, you have to be very honest. The foundation stone for succeeding in life are honesty, character, integrity and loyalty. And the main secret of life is honesty and fair dealing. Students, an honest man's word is as good as his bond. That means honor lies in honest toil. So let's read our chapter, what is going on in this story and what kind of moral you will get. So let's start our chapter. A successful businessman was growing old and knew it was time to choose a successor to take over his business. Successor means the next one who will get that business, who will be the owner of that business. So an old man who was a successful businessman, he was searching a new owner of his company. Instead of choosing one of his children, he decided to do something different. He called all the young executives together. Student, mostly happens that one after one the family members got the post of CEO, but this time that man was searching something different. He decided that he will choose someone else who will be out of the family. So one day he called all his young workers and officemen together and he said, it is time for me to step down and choose the next CEO. I have decided to choose one of you. I am going to give each one of you a seed today. I want you to grow the seed and come back here after 1 year from today with what you have grown from the seed. I will then judge the plant that you bring. Then I will choose the next CEO. The full form of CEO is Chief Executive Officer. So one day he said to all his officemen, said to them that he had decided that he will choose one of them for next CEO post and he gave each of them one seed of any plant and he told them that they have to grow the seed and they have to come back after 1 year with their plants. Then after that he will examine the plant and he will choose on the basis of the plant. Then he will decide who will be the next CEO of that office. After that, one man named John received seed. He went home and excitedly told his wife the story. She helped him get a pot, soil and compost and he planted the seed. So one of the staff, there was a man, John. When he received seed and he went his home and the whole story he told to his wife and after that his wife helped him to plant the seed. Every day he would water it and watch to see if it had grown. After about 3 weeks, some of the other executives began to talk what they were beginning to grow. So every day John was watching his plant, but there was not any sign of growth in the seed. Meanwhile, everyone was talking in the office about the growth of the seed. John kept checking his seed, but nothing ever grew. John kept checking his seed, but nothing ever grew. Weeks after weeks went by, still nothing. Every day, John was checking his seed, but there was no result. By now, others were talking about their plants, so John felt like a failure. Were when everyone was discussing about his plant or her plant, John felt ashamed that he felt failure like, and 6 months went by, still nothing grew in John's pot. He just knew he had killed his seed, but he didn't say anything to his colleagues. However, he just kept watering and fertilizing the soil. He wanted the seed to grow. As the task was given by the CEO of the company, John was very excited, but there was no result. He just kept trying by watering and fertilizing the soil, but there was no growth of the seed, and he was knowing that the seed had been dead. A year finally went by, and all the young executives of the company brought their plants to the CEO for inspection. John told his wife that he was not going to take an empty pot, but she asked him to be honest about what happened. John felt sick to his stomach. It was going to be the most embarrassing moment at his life, but he knew his wife was right. So after one year, when it was the time of inspection by CEO, every executive brought the plants to the company, but John was very worried that time. So he told his wife that he is not going to take an empty pot, but his wife suggested at that time that it is time to be honest, don't tell a lie. So she suggested to tell the whole story to the CEO, and after that John felt that his wife was right. So he took his empty pot to the boardroom. When John arrived, he was amazed at the variety of plants grown by the other executives. They were beautiful in shapes and sizes. That means they all have taken good care, and the plants were looking so beautiful, and there were so many different shapes and sizes. He played his empty pot, and many of his colleagues laughed. A few of them felt sorry. When John shoved his pot, it was empty. So all the colleagues, some of them laughed and some of them felt sorry for the growth of the plant. When the CEO arrived, he surveyed the room and greeted his young executive. John just tried to hide in the back. My gosh, what great plants and flowers you have grown, said the CEO. Today one of you will be appointed the next CEO. All of a sudden, the CEO reached John's back. John was panicked. He thought the CEO knows I am a failure. Maybe he will have me fired. So when it was the time of inspection, the CEO examined every plant and praised them whose plants were beautiful in shape and size, and he said that he will choose one of them as the next CEO of that company. And suddenly he noticed John's fought. At that time, John felt very panicked. He was very worried about his job, that maybe the CEO will fire him from the job. CEO asked him what had happened to his seat. John told him the story. The CEO asked everyone to sit down except John. He looked at John and then announced, "Behold your next Chief Executive Officer. His name is John." So students, when John told the whole story about the seed, the CEO announced his name as the next CEO of the company. John could not believe it. He could not even grow a seed. It was an impossible thing for John, as he was thinking that he was not able to grow a seed even. How could he be the CEO of that company? Then the CEO said, "1 year ago, I gave everyone a seed to grow, but I gave you all wild seeds. They were already dead. If you will boil a seed, it will be dead. You will get a zero result if you will grow a dead seed." So CEO introduced them that he had given a dead seed, all of them, to judge their honesty, to check their honesty, what they will do. They were already dead. All of you except John have brought me substituted plants and flowers. Either you brought it or you replaced the seed. John was only one with the courage and honesty to bring me a pot with my seed in it. Therefore, he is the only one who will be the new Chief Executive Officer. So after that, when CEO told them the real story about the wild seed, so he said, if you are honest, then you will get success in your life, because it was only John who showed the courage to show the honesty with the empty pot and the real seed in that pot, and everyone brought the new plant or exchange the seed. So students, this chapter is about honesty and how you will get success with if you are honest. Honesty shows our courage also, and having honesty we can be more successful and trustworthy. So be like John. If you want to get success in your life, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be a great. You get the best out of the others when you give the best of yourself. So you have to just effort only, and with full release its reward after a person refuse to quit. And students, you must not only aim right but draw the bow with all your might. Let's see the questions of this chapter. Answer these questions orally. Why did the boss wanted to appoint the new CEO? Because the boss was growing old, so he decided to appoint the new CEO. What did he give to his employees to check their honesty? He gave some seeds to his employees to check their honesty. What did John do with the seed? He also planted the seed and with fertilization. Who motivated John to be honest? John's wife motivated John to be honest. What happened at last? At last, John told the whole story to the CEO, and he got the place of CEO for his honesty only. Take the correct option. Honesty shows our credibility and courage. So its answer is courage. The CEO gave a seat to each of his executive. Having honesty, we can be more trustworthy. One can remember John as authentic. That was all about your fourth chapter, and we will discuss our next chapter in our next video. Till then, take care.